ability to think critically, analyze pieces of evidences, and apply legal principles to real-world situations. We at NMIMS School of Law believe in immersive learning, where we don't just study law, we experience it as well.
One such exciting opportunity is the crime scene investigation competition, wherein budding legal minds are put in the shoes of forensic experts. Their mission: follow the crime scene, analyze the evidence, and unravel the truth.
Crime scene investigation is important for legal professionals. It's a perfect blend of logical reasoning, forensic science, and investigative abilities to reconstruct an event and solve a particular case. We've designed this competition in a manner which pushes students to think like a legal profession and use their analytical abilities to solve cases, where every detail matters and justice depends on sound reasoning.
But how does a crime scene unfold? What leads investigators to the truth? The next video takes you to the heart of the mystery, a crime that needs solving. Watch closely as every detail counts.